climate change. By now, we already know that it's a huge problem. But what are we doing to solve it? Hey, I'm Devinder from Cequest, and I want to introduce you to an idea that could change the world. At Cequest, we're a team of passionate polymaths focused on global impact. Our goal is to sustain the planet through innovation, and we've developed a carbon sequestration solution to do just that. Now, before I walk you through how Cequest gets there, let's talk about where we are today. In 2019, the world collectively emitted a record 39.2 gigatons of carbon dioxide, adding fuel to the already hot fire that is climate change. Greenhouse gases trap heat in the atmosphere, and CO2 is a contributing factor. Over the past 171 years, we've raised atmospheric concentrations of CO2 to levels that would naturally occur in 20,000 years. Scientists estimate we need to remove 10 gigatons per year by 2050 to keep global warming below 2 degrees Celsius and avoid irreversible damage to our planet. Now, at the same time, this is a huge opportunity. Shifting the entire world over to renewable energy is already taking shape and is poised to become a $1 trillion market in the next decade. Elon Musk recognizes this, and it's actually partly because of his vision that I'm talking to you today. This tweet turned into the largest ever X Prize, and this fall, there's $250,000 available in funding for up to 12 student teams, and those teams have to build a prototype. For the past 3 months, we've been examining the most promising ways of approaching carbon capture. Technologies that are not yet developed posed a greater risk, and so we went back to the basics. I'm talking all the way back to H2O. While most of the companies that are around today extract carbon dioxide from the air, seawater holds 140 times as much CO2. That's the difference between traveling by horse carriage or taking a plane. After extensive research, we designed the prototype and got quotes for all 25 parts. Put simply, Cequest harnesses the previously untapped potential of seawater for the process of splitting water into hydrogen and oxygen gas, aka electrolysis, which then captures CO2 from the air and ocean and returns it to the water for sequestration as a mineral bicarbonate. This process adds alkalinity to the ocean and helps reverse ocean acidification, while also creating the world's greenest hydrogen gas that can be sold or used to produce electricity. We've also spoken to many experts in the field, both working in academia and startups, who validated our chemistry, overall solution, and implementation strategy. With Cequest, we have the low-cost, scalable, and economically incentivized carbon capture solution humanity desperately needs. Together, we can do something that will change the world, and you can join us on that journey. Back our project today, and you'll help us bring Cequest to life.